Hi friends, Caroline's here from How to Vietnamese. Many of you really enjoyed my first slang video about love and relationship, so I'm back with part 2, giving you some of the most popular and funny slang phrases that will help you truly connect with the locals. I got the ideas after coming across a local brewery in Saigon called Beercraft, where they use funny Vietnamese slang to name their beers, such as Xào Bakko, biết chất liền, 100%, or không say không về. So, let's learn some slang. The first 3 slang words are for those of you who love to drink and party like a local. Let's start with number 1, 100%. 100%. If you have ever sat down to have a few drinks in Vietnam, you probably already know this phrase. It literally means 100% or simply bottoms up. So next time, be careful when you hear 100% because it means that you have to finish your glass in one shot. Now, forced drinking in Vietnam is no longer uncommon and can even be seen as offensive. So if you don't want to do 100%, you can negotiate 50%, 50%, or just politely decline the offer by saying không cảm ơn. Another interesting phrase that you will hear at a Vietnamese bar is number 2, không say không về. Không say không về, which translates to not drunk, not return home. In other words, you are not going home until you are drunk. Now back then, if you were invited to drink with someone and you didn't get drunk, you could be seen as not being sincere or respectful towards the other person. Nowadays, it's just a funny phrase to tell your friends and no one really thinks seriously about its meaning. So have fun, but remember to về nhà. Number 3, đi đu đưa. Đi đu đưa. This slang is one of the newly invented phrases in 2019 after a popular song Đi đu đưa đi by the singer Bích Phương. Đu đưa literally means to sway or to swing, but if someone asks you to đi đu đưa, they are actually asking you to either hang out or go partying, drinking, dancing, or all of the above. For example, chán quá à, đi đu đưa với tôi không. Chán quá à, đi đu đưa với tôi không? The next 7 phrases are great to express yourself in Vietnamese that would 100% makes the locals smile when they hear it. So number 4, biết chết liền. Biết chết liền. Literally, if I know, I would die immediately, which is an informal way of saying to your friends, I really don't know. Biết means to know, chết means to die, and liền means immediately. Here's a simple example. Đây là cái gì? Biết chết liền. Đây là cái gì? Biết chết liền. Number 5, bó tay. Bó tay. Bó tay has the meaning of hands are tied. When saying that you bó tay, it means that you give up or surrender before a problem that you just can't solve or help to solve. For example, tiếng Việt khó quá, mình bó tay. Tiếng Việt khó quá, mình bó tay. Number 6, giận tím người. Giận tím người. Giận means angry. Tím means purple and người means body. This is a very funny and cute way to say that you are being so angry until your body and your face turn purple. People even reference this phrase to my favorite villain, Thanos. Here's an example. Mua ổ bánh mì nhưng không có thịt, giận tím người. Mua ổ bánh mì nhưng không có thịt, giận tím người. Number 7, toang rồi. Toang rồi. Toang in Vietnamese actually refers to the loud noise when something is broken. You can say toang rồi when talking about an unfavorable situation that may lead to a negative outcome. For example, lái xe không đội mũ bảo hiểm lại gặp công an, toang rồi. Lái xe không đội mũ bảo hiểm lại gặp công an, toang rồi. Number 8, xào bà cố. Xào bà cố. A popular Saigon slang that is used not only by the youngsters but also by the older generation. Xào bà cố is used to jokingly tell someone for freaking lying to you. Xào means to lie and bà cố means great-grandmother. But people also use it to describe something for being extreme or too much, like xấu bà cố, so ugly, hôi bà cố, so smelly, and of course, xạo bà cố, chờ xíu, tao sắp tới rồi, mày xạo bà cố. Chờ xíu, tao sắp tới rồi, mày xạo bà cố. Number 9, cuộc sống mà. Cuộc sống mà, where cuộc sống means life. This is a phrase that someone would say when feeling helpless and kind of accepting the sad reality of life. It's like saying, well, that's life. Funny enough, this straightforward phrase became popular after a story being shared online, where a customer cancelled an online order, and when being asked about the reason by the shop owner, the person replied with just 3 words, cuộc sống mà. And this, of course, has become an inspiration for people to create online memes. Number 10, Swan. Swan. Swan is actually a verb for to twist, but the young generation is giving more meanings to it. For example, sao phải xoắn? Sao phải xoắn has the meaning of why worry or why thinking so much, hinting just be carefree. For example, Noel này không có bồ thì thôi, sao phải xoắn? Noel này không có bồ thì thôi, sao phải xoắn? Or xoắn não. Xoắn não. If something is xoắn não, it causes so much confusion and headache to your brain, quite similar to this word. For example, phim Tenet cực kỳ xoắn não. Phim Tenet cực kỳ xoắn não. If you like more videos like this, please like and share it with your friends. Tạm biệt!